Hello everybody. I'm going to harvest my sweet potato today. So come join me. First sweet potato harvest. Shuffle the khati le. पहिला बार Look at this, guys. One piece of sweet potato I planted in this part. It's about, oh, here is the old one, the mama plant, the seed potato. It's still hard. I think I can use this next year again. I think this could be like 5 pounds. So this is the biggest one. Okay, this is it. Now I'm going to harvest my plot. Okay, here I am in my ground potato bed. I'm going to harvest this. Stay with us. about double amount of that one plant and this 6 plant. The potato didn't grow very big because it was rainy and damp, and in the ground, in the part it was like controlled water, but in the ground, and it is like slidey hill, so all the water from the rain came and landed here. So I think that's why it didn't get any better result, but not bad for the first year in my life I grew sweet potato. All right, let's weigh my sweet potato harvest. This is the ground one. Here is the ground harvest, so let's put it here.
You keep videoing, I'm gonna put it in.
Yeah, those two from here.
Those two. Woohoo! What do you see?
This is 6 pound 12 ounce from the garden, the in-ground harvest. Hi Sammy. Hi Oliver. Okay, so this is from the ground. So now let's see
Wait, I'll do this.
from the pot.
Okay. Now,
From the pot, bring it here. Uh, 4 pound 9 ounce. So it's about 2 pound difference. The parts one is a better result than the ground one, but I know why it happened, because it was too much rain.
this is the.
This is from the ground, and this one is from the thing. That's not the problem. Problem is how much I got from each one. I planted 6 plants for this, the ground one, but 1 plant for the pot.
Those are redder.
So the parts one is more healthier looking, but some of them in the ground get bigger than the parts, but some of them are same. So the problem is it was too much rain, and it's get the area I grew in the ground is too much moisture. So I think that's why it didn't do the better result. And the part, it was controlled water. You know, someday I didn't even water, and it was in the south side of the house. So it get more sunlight, and same time the other one is on the north side of the house, and less sun and more water. So this is the result. But I'm very happy with my sweet potato harvest, because this is the first time in my life I grew sweet potato and I got some. Even I get half of it, I would be happy. I just want to get some experiment about it and see if I can grow it. And
you did.
and yeah, thank you. and you know, I'm very happy. So thank you very much for watching. Bye.